welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get your Wi-Fi password if you're connected to a Wi-Fi network and forgot your password. In this video I'll show you how to get the password. So if you are connected to the network that you want to get a password from, you'll need to go to your Wi-Fi devices. You click on more settings, then you click on tap to share password. You'll see it will bring out a QR code. What you can do is you can just take a screenshot of this. You can say done and go back. What you want to do then is go to your Play Store. I'm using an Android device. I'll make another video on how to do this on OS or iPhone. So then you go to search. In the search bar you will type in QR code scanner. You will look for the QR and barcode scanner. I already downloaded the app, so you can just download the QR scanner. You can go back if it's finished installed. There I have my QR code scanner. If you click on it, it will open your QR code scanner. I'll leave a link in the description for this. Okay, so then you can go to, on top you'll see a little photo picture. If you go in there, it will take you to your gallery, and there is the code that you scanned, and you'll just have to move it up into the little square and say scan, and there you go. There's your password for your Wi-Fi. Thank you all for watching, and hope you all have a nice day.